El desarrollo constante de los países requiere de una visión estable y una especial orientación hacia la innovación para enfrentar los retos que plantea la vida contemporánea. En el caso de Costa Rica, la apuesta histórica por la educación, la búsqueda de la diversificación productiva y el impulso a la integración en mercados internacionales ha generado un ecosistema de innovación donde la ciencia y la tecnología se han afianzado como ejes clave de la visión nacional de desarrollo. En ese marco, el sector costarricense de biotecnología y ciencias de la vida destaca como un potente generador de soluciones con la capacidad de impactar profundamente una multitud de necesidades de las más variadas áreas.
We're developing a process specifically to try to collect and see what to do with the many leaves that come from the plants of the pineapple. And right now it's become an environmental challenge, and it's very important to see how we can find a solution and a process. That's been a recent challenge that we've been able to face and work with.
We are managing a R&D project for a biostimulant, and we're doing all the genetic characterization of the product. So it's innovative because we're taking chicken manure, which is a very big environmental concern in the country, and turning it into a valuable product that can be used for the stimulation of soils and the nutrition of plants.
Ese potencial coloca al sector ante un reto fundamental. ¿Qué se requiere para llevar a la biotecnología y ciencias de la vida en Costa Rica al siguiente nivel de desarrollo?
A cluster is a group of companies that collaborate and compete in order to work in a sector that they are trying to develop. In our case, our cluster is working together with the government and the academia because we all have a common denominator that we want Costa Rica to be more competitive internationally in the life science developments.
Este modelo único en América Latina busca que la integración de las entidades del sector se convierta en alianzas científicas y de negocios, colaboración interinstitucional y gestión conjunta en la creación de políticas públicas para llevar a todos sus actores al siguiente nivel de competitividad, innovación e internacionalización.
The important part of a cluster is the synergy between businesses, public sector, private sector, and academy. That synergy causes innovation, causes economic growth, causes employment.
BitLab is supporting clusters since a well-developed clusters spurs productivity among its members, innovation in the sector, and the creation of new businesses linked to the cluster.
So we have experienced many benefits by being part of CRbiomed. One of the key benefits is networking. So we have networked with companies, academic institutions, and with research centers.
Another important thing is the funding that is allowed, and Procomer and BID have done a very good job and have helped us tremendously in being able to develop different types of funds for different purposes.
Life sciences industry is a global value change where Costa Rica is playing. This sector is growing at high rates, and its growth is driven by technological advancements. We have the human talent to be able to capitalize this sector in Costa Rica.
Costa Rica has been exporting and diversifying in almost 200 years now, and we went from coffee to high-tech.
Costa Rica has a great potential for biotechnology and life sciences. We have one of the most dense biodiversities on the planet, so we also have the laws that facilitate the sustainable use of biodiversity for developing biomolecules, for creating value-added products and processes.
El clúster CRbiomed es la prueba de que un sector que ha demostrado tener un potencial clave para el desarrollo del país puede integrarse desde el sector privado junto a la academia y el gobierno para crear valor social, científico y económico de la mano con una visión de desarrollo sostenible, socialmente responsable y de impacto global.